Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, November 11, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, November 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 11, 2024, Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 11, 2024, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for November 11, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, November 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.